Hello, here is another recording I have today for Dahua Smart Dual Light Network PTZ camera. So some of the highlights: Smart Dual Light. So day and night it will give you either colored images. You also have a choice of having it do smart illumination, where if it detects maybe human, then it's when it turns on the illuminators, but under normal, no motion, no human detection, it just shows you black and white. Then it's easy to integrate and control from the mobile app, that is DMSS. It supports two-way talk, that means it has built-in mic and speakers. It supports SMD, so smart motion detection, filtering between human and vehicle. It's also full color. So with this Smart Dual Light Network PTZ, this is the physical appearance. I have one sample here that we are going to open. So this is how the packaging looks like. It looks really nice. So I guess at this point, Dahua is doing a good work with the packaging of the equipment. Let's see how well, if you are to order, how the packaging is secured, and if you're going to get it here, will it be intact? Of course, I've received the package just today, so let's open it up and see. So when you open up the package, you see the good protection for the cameras, but it comes with this bracket for wall mount. So it's a simple mount bracket. Then let's open it up more. Inside the package, we have the camera itself, but before I touch the camera, let's look at what else. So we have the quick start guide, the small manual, some installation do-it-yourself kit, and then we have the waterproof. Then again, I will just take this paper out so that we have the actual camera. So this is a wireless camera, of course. It's a Smart Dual Network PTZ camera from Dahua, and this is the physical appearance. So we'll just remove the paper so that we have a clear look. So it's a simple do-it-yourself wireless camera that you can install in your home, then monitor everything from the mobile app. Let me see where we can open. So we can open here and install an SD card so that it also does edge recording on the camera. So this is a simple wireless Smart Dual Light camera that you would want to get for your home security. It supports two-way talk, which means that you can also talk to the person you are monitoring and also pick up on audio from them. So this is a simple, nice and sleek camera. So if you're looking to experience one, you're welcome to our showroom. You can place orders to our distributors, and we'll have you sorted for this type of camera. So it's a PTZ camera, meaning it can see 360 degrees view, and it's a good quality image. And it's also the resolution in the camera is 2MP. We also have 4MP version. So based on the variation, you can connect. It also comes with this power port and network port, which means if you don't want to use the wireless feature, you can also just directly plug into your router and still access the footage. So thank you for your time, and this is the product, and you're welcome again for more on the same. Thank you.